Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food, and welcome back once again to another little pizza that we're doing, a pizza build. So in these videos I'm not making the dough or the sauce. If you want to know how to do that, there's links below and the videos will pop up at the end. What we're doing is just having a bit of fun building these pizzas. Today what we're doing is a chorizo with some roast vegetables in there. It's delicious. As you can see, I put a little bit of rocket around the edge. Let's go get the dough together. Okay, so there you go. You just saw me get that together very quickly. Now, if you use my recipe for the dough, that amount will make 2 of these. This is a 12-inch. You get 2 12 inches out of that. We're going to drop in some 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of our pizza sauce, which I think is just about right. Use the back of the spoon, go in a circular motion and spread it out. Yeah, I don't like it too much sauce basically. Some people drown their pizza in sauce. I don't like to do that. Lovely. Okay, let's get some stuff on there. Okay, so let's get some cheese on there. I've got some block mozzarella. You know the stuff. Big block like that, and we chop it down like that. Use the grated stuff if you like. Then we're going to get a few bits and pieces on here. So I'd like to get some fresh tomato. I'd like to get some onion, which I've just cut into rings, thin rings. I'm using a red onion. Over that goes. Some bell peppers. Nice bit of colour and some vitamins in there. Then I'm going to grab here some chorizo, or you could be using some pepperoni or salami if you wanted. Just a few other bits to go on. Then we're going to go with a few veggies. I've got some eggplants here that I've just cut and fried in a little bit of olive oil. A few little bits of zucchini, the same. Now I've got some pickled jalapeno for a nice bit of heat. Use something hotter if you want. Gonna get some Parmesan cheese, finely grated Parmesan cheese. Get that all over the top. Now you need your oven on full blast. My oven is on maximum heat. And this is going to go in for about 6 minutes, and it's going to be delicious. One more essential, some dried oregano or oregano in the oven, 6 minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, so that was 6 minutes in my oven, full blast, absolutely lovely. I'm going to really enjoy this one. Now, about now, the videos for the dough and the sauce will be popping up, so you can check them out if you want. I'm going to finish this off with a little bit of rocket just around the edges, and that's it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love. That looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah.